Hi everybody, welcome to Pretty Things with Debbie. I'm Debbie, and you'll see in this video that when I get this package, I cannot wait to get into it, so I just start opening it in my kitchen. And then I'm gonna come in here and finish it. Okay, it arrived. Let's see what it looks like. It does look like it's wrapped in the factory wrapping. I'm trying to do this because I was so anxious about this package. So I didn't want to wait to do an unboxing, but then I thought, you know what? I better video this. This is from an individual seller. Hang on. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Okay, that's not working very good. Okay, here we go. It does look like it's factory wrapped. Let me set you up on the counter. Okay, there's a little side peeking through. That looks really good. This is the Maggie small tote. Ooh, she's pretty. I'm really happy with her. Here's the bottom. I don't know if I showed you the bottom. I'm trying to see if there's any markings on the feet or anything. Coach is on there. That makes me feel better. Okay. That makes me feel better. Because like I said, I bought this from an individual reseller because they were out of stock. And guess what? They came back in stock after I purchased this the next day. Yes, I paid I think I paid $49 extra for this one. But it's here, so live and you learn, right? Let me finish undoing her and I will show you the end result. Okay, so let me turn you down so I can finish unwrapping this. This is the Maggie small Maggie tote. So we've got it unwrapped to here. And I'm going to take the handle stuff off. I was very anxious about this purse because like I told you, I ordered this from a seller. And she said that it would come fully wrapped, which she didn't lie. It's factory wrapped for sure. Let me get into some of the scissors that make it go quicker. And so I just was very anxious about this because, as I said in the beginning, I wanted this and then I let it get away and I just decided I didn't need it. And then months go by and I say again, I do need it. And so, of course, go back on to look at it on Coach and Outlet, and it's sold out. And then once I find it online, they want an arm and a leg for it. And like I said, the little D-rings have Coach's name on it. And I wasn't going to pay that exorbitant amount for it. And so I went and looked again online still out of stock. And made an offer, wasn't accepted, and just was like, well, my offer was like, I wasn't trying to lowball, but my offer was about, I think, $30 less than what she was asking. And I thought she would at least, you know, counter back. But there was no counter back. It was just declined. And I was like, oh. So I thought about it. And then I was like, yep, I'll do it. For something you want for $30, what's the big deal? So I did order it, and then within, I think it was 1 or 2 days later, I got an email stating on Coach Outlet, handbag you liked is back in stock. And guess what it was? The Maggie Small Tote signature with this puffy print. And of course it was $45 less than what I paid, but that's okay. So I was going to make sure this was what it was supposed to be. And if it wasn't, it's on there still. So I'm going to I would reorder it. So as of the day I'm making this, it was on there. Let's get some mod shots of it. Pull you up. Okay. So she's a good lightweight purse. So there it is, crossbody. Cutie patootie. She's so pretty. Ooh, she'd be looking good with some gold charms and red accents maybe, or any color really against that black would be beautiful. And then you could, if you didn't want to do the crossbody, that nice little satchel. Even cute carrying it this way. So there's the Maggie Small Tote. And I didn't show you the inside. I'm sure you've all seen the insides. The zipper does extend a little bit, so the opening isn't bad. Oh, one more little pull tab thingy. So you have a zip pocket on the side where the story patch is. There's your little stuff thing and your little card. And again, the pocket on the side is about that tall, so maybe 3 inches. And the other side is a slip pocket, and the lining is like a chocolate brown. That's what it looks like to me, real deep chocolate brown. Pretty. So there she is. She's so pretty. I love it. So until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Thank you for watching. I hope you think about subscribing, hitting the thumb, and please share my videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.